So today I'm working with one of my favourite brands again, which is Lola's lashes, to show you a try on with all 6 styles of magnetic lashes. Now if you do follow me, you'll know I love this concept of the lashes and I'm obsessed with them. Just stick around and you won't regret it. They are literally unbelievable. Like, I was a little bit like magnetic lashes, but keep watching. So I've been sent 6 different styles of lashes, so I'm going to go through each one and a little bit about each lash. So this is Rose Quartz, and Rose Quartz is the most subtlest lash for the barely there definition. So even if this is just for sitting around the house, go in the shops, whatever you want to wear this lash for the most natural look, this is your gal. Next we've got Jade, and the description for this is enhancing length and volume for everyday elegance. So if you want something maybe just a little bit more dramatic than Rose Quartz, then this is the one for you. Next we've got Sapphire, and the description for this one is fuss-free lashes to elevate your everyday look. So again, just building that look up. So maybe if you want something a little bit more dramatic than Jade, then this is the perfect one for you. Next we've got Diamond. Now I love these because they're a little bit thicker on the end and they give you that nice cat eye effect. Now Diamonds are easy to use lashes to boost a natural length and volume. So as I said, they've got that little flick on the end which will give you that gorgeous cat eye effect. Next we've got my all-time favourite lash, which is Amber, and Amber is a bold and striking style for that Vava-voom volume in a flash. That's the description on the box. That is not me trying to be funny, by the way. But yeah, these are gorgeous. They're nice and long and fluffy, but they're not too heavy on your eyes. Yeah, Amber are my fave, and you'll see that near the end of the video. Now, last but not least, we've got Ruby, which is the most dramatic lash that Lolas do. The description on the back of the box for this one is get all out glam on the go with our statement making lashes. These are just gorgeous for your Friday, Saturday night out. Like, these are unreal. Now, to apply the lashes, as you've seen in my previous Lolas lashes video, we use a magnetic eyeliner. Now, as I said in my previous one, if you haven't seen it, this is not an eyelash glue. This is literally a magnetic liner. So it's got the magnetic components in the liner which make the magnet stick. I'm going to start off with just like a thin liner for Rose Quartz because they're quite they are a very natural lash. So don't want to have a big thick blob of magnetic liner on my eye. So here we go. And I'm literally doing this bit by bit so I get that perfect line that I want. I always say I'm going to do a thin line and it ends up being half my eyelid, so this is the thinnest I'm getting, guys. So I'd say I've probably left my liner for about 5 minutes before I'm going to stick my lashes down. So you've got to make sure that it's dry or the magnet won't stick to the magnetic components. I'm going to go in with Rose Quartz to begin with because they are the most natural lash. Now, I'm literally just going to use my fingers for this, so they are little tiny baby lashes. So I'm just going to show you how easy they go on. They literally fly on. So I hold the lash up, look down into the mirror. I didn't even think that was 5 seconds. Like, this is why I rave about these lashes so much, because they're just amazing. Like, it'd take you less than 5 minutes to do your eyes in the morning. And that is Rose Quartz on. Like, do you understand why I'm obsessed now? Like, oh, I love them. I absolutely love them. Obviously, you can do your liner thinner, but I'm so used to my liner thick that it's impossible for me to do it so. But these are Rose Quartz and I'm obsessed. So next we've got Jade, which was these ones. And these are pretty similar to Rose Quartz, but just a little bit fluffier, I'd say. I'd probably wear these a little bit more just because I do like to have, well, I like to be able to see you've got a lash on, do you know what I mean? But you still can with Rose Quartz, but it is literally like a barely there lash. So going in with Jade, what we're going to test as well is to see how long the liner lasts, changing between lashes and when we've got to put another layer on. I love them. Now, I'd probably recommend maybe starting with Rose Quartz just because Jade have got a little bit more of a thicker lash band. And if you're not used to lashes, it might be better for you to start with maybe a thinner lash band to get used to that, and then go in with Jade. They are beautiful. I just play about with them for a couple of seconds just to make sure they're all stuck down. But they are absolutely stunning. I would honestly wear these like every day. Like, I don't like wearing big lashes anyway. Anyone who knows me knows I really don't like wearing lashes. But for every day, and obviously you don't have that glue which is clumped to your eyelashes with this. It's literally just get your oil and it's gone. So yeah, I'd wear these every day. So yeah, I'm so happy with Jade. Now, removing the lash is very, very easy. Take it off, pop it in your box, and they're good to go. And as I've said before, you can wear these up to 30 times. I do rewear my lashes anyway, but they seem, well, they are a lot cleaner, shall I say. They are a lot cleaner being magnetic because you haven't got that glue which is stuck to the lash band and you don't have to clean them. Next, I'm going to go in with Sapphire. Now, Sapphire are absolutely gorgeous. These are just like quite similar to Jade, but I'd say they're just a little bit more longer and a little bit thinner, more of like a fluttery effect. Fluttery probably isn't the best word, like wispy. Wispy is the right word. So again, remember, you can cut these lashes, but if you need to, it's recommended to cut to the magnet just so you get that, like, it's more secure basically. So yeah, if you're going to cut them to the magnet. So putting Sapphire on. They are stunning, and we don't have to put any more liner on because they feel pretty secure. Now, it does feel like it's lifting a little bit in that corner, so I'm going to put a little bit more liner on the inner part of my eye just to make sure that it's stuck. Now, all you'd need to do is take the liner out in your bag if you really needed to, and it takes 2 seconds to put it on. Like, this is why I love these, it's so handy to have. So now the liner's dry, I'm going to go back in with the lash. And that just sticks so much better than before. I just love them. These are a little bit like Amber, but just that little bit thinner, where Amber is obviously a lot thicker. These are more like a wispier version than Amber, but not them. These are unreal. And just taking them off. Literally that easy. So for the next 3 lashes, I'm gonna maybe put a wing on and just add a little bit more on the inner corner of my eye, just to take it from more of a natural look to like a little bit more of a going out look. So taking the magnetic liner again, I'm just gonna add some more on the inside. So I've added the wing, and I'm going to go in with Diamonds, which was like the nice catty lash. So I've pulled the ribbon off this one, which is a pain, but here we go. These ones. So I just love the fluffiness on the end of it. So I don't know if these are a little bit long. We'll try them. I feel like they should be alright. It's got quite long eyes. So, oh no, I'll be okay. See, I think they're nice because you haven't got like a big bit of lash here and it's all at the end. It just pulls your eyes. Like, love these. As you've seen, I've like messed about to make sure that they're stuck. I recommend doing that. I wouldn't just go in, leave them. I pull them about a little bit, make sure that they are stuck and they are secure, and they're going to stay on for as long as you're wearing them. Now, taking these off, throw them back in the box, and they'll be good to use next time you use them. Moving on to my favourite lashes ever, Amber. I'm not even going to say that, I'm just going to put them on so you can see how unreal they are. Like, I'd sell these to anyone because they're just amazing. This is why I didn't say anything, because you could just see it. Like, these are literally my favourite lashes in the whole world. I just think they complement anyone's eyes. Like, no matter what shape they are, you could put them on and they'd suit anyone. I just love them so much. Every time I wear amber, everyone's always like, oh my god, where are your lashes from? And I'm like, now, as you know, all these come in a lash kit as well, which you can get for £35, which has got the magnetic liner, the lashes and the oil. So it's probably worth getting that because you've got everything to put them on with and then obviously to take it off. So probably recommend investing in one of the lash kits. Now, taking amber off because we're going to go on to Ruby, which is like the night out lash. This is one of everyone's faves because it is out there. Might be a bit too out there for me because I like these, but I'd still wear them on night out. So Ruby is super thick, super cute. So let's go in. To be honest, they're quite similar to amber, they're just a little bit thicker. So oh no, actually quite like Ruby. Quite surprised by Ruby. Okay. By Ruby, I wouldn't think I'd like them as much, but I do love them. Maybe not as much as amber because I don't think anything can take my love away from amber. But they are absolutely stunning. You can't feel them on your eye. You'd think they'd be really heavy on your eye, but they're actually not. They're really lightweight. So these are just the best things in the world. Like, I can't recommend Lola's lashes, magnetic lashes to you enough because I'm obsessed. So the only time I had to reapply the liner was to 3 sets of lashes, which is really good because you're not going to be taking them off all night, are you? You're going to keep them on. So I'm really impressed with them. So yeah, this is the end of my trying on Lola's lashes video. I am totally obsessed with all the styles, but gotta say amber and ruby are my faves because I just love them. If you got round this long, then thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.